Welcome to the 53TM Top Mount Waste Container Installation video. Before we begin, you will need the following tools. Power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a Phillips screwdriver, tape measure, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a metal box, lid, slides, slide covers, lid holders, door mounting brackets, door mounting covers, plugs, waste bins, number 8 by 1/2 inch panhead screws, number 8 by 5/8 inch flathead screws, M4 by 5 machine screws, number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws, 1/4 28 by 1/2 inch machine screws, and an instruction sheet. Start from the cabinet floor and measure up 22¼ inches and mark. From the front edge of the face frame, measure back 11/16 inch and mark. Your first hole location is where the lines intersect. From that point, measure 9 5/16 inches. That will be your second hole location. From your first hole location, measure 18 11/16 inches. That will be your third hole location. The holes should be 22¼ inches up from the cabinet floor. Your holes should line up with the 3 holes in the lid holder. Pre-drill with your 3/32 inch drill bit. Secure the lid holder to the side of the cabinet using the number 8 by 1/2 inch screws. Repeat on the other side. Start from the cabinet floor and measure up 19 inches and mark. From the front edge of the face frame, measure back 1½ inches and mark. That is your first hole location. Line that up with the third hole on the slide. Use the following measurements to locate your remaining holes. Your holes should line up with the holes in the slide. Pre-drill with your 3/32 inch drill bit. Secure the lid holder on the side of the cabinet using the number 8 by 5/8 inch screws. Repeat on the other side. Next, place the slide covers over the slides and snap into place. Extend the slides and mount the metal box using the M4 by 5 machine screws. Snap the plugs into the holes. We need to determine how much your door overlays the cabinet opening. Measure the opening height as well as the door height. Subtract to find the difference. Now divide that number by 2. You now have your overlay value. Start from the bottom of the door and measure 14 11/16 inches. Add your overlay value and mark. From the side of the door, measure 13/16 inches. Add your overlay value and mark. The center hole of your door mounting bracket should go where the lines intersect. Use the following measurements to locate your top and bottom holes. Pre-drill with your 3/32 inch drill bit. Attach the door mounting brackets using the number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws. Position the door brackets over the slide covers and attach with the 1/4 28 by 1/2 inch machine screws and washers. The upper screw is for tilt adjustment, while the lower screw is for vertical adjustment. Adjust until the door is centered and flush with your frame. Place the door mount covers over the door mount brackets. Place the lid on the lid holders. Insert the 2 waste bins. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.